One more thing. Something we really appreciated with INDIRAP is that no matter who we were working with, whether it was from planning to whether we're communicating over email or we're on site, we knew that we weren't the biggest client, we knew we weren't the only client, but we felt so important. We always felt like a priority with them, and that really was important to us and made us feel valued. We like that. My name is Melanie Mapes. I'm the Director of Marketing for Chicago's First Lady Cruises and Mercury Cruises. So our goal with working with INDIRAP was to create some videos because we were really lacking in that department. We hadn't produced anything for quite a few years. And so we knew that video was really important to bring us forward, both for social media, for our advertising, our PR agency, on our website. So we really needed video assets to bring our product to life. First of all, response time is insane. I'm pretty sure that within sending an email out, I'm hearing back from someone within moments. Very easy to be in touch with them, open lines of communication always. And we started out with some phone calls, kind of saying who we are, sending over brand assets, kind of a brain dump of what we were thinking, followed by a site visit. And just all in all, it was really fluid. So when it came time to shoot, we were all on the same page and knew what we wanted. There was a lot of trust. We had a lot going on at each shoot. We were doing simultaneous photo and video shoots, which meant I might be with a photographer while INDIRAP is doing something. And then I'm with INDIRAP and we have our photographer. So actually some of my favorite shots I didn't even see until production. I didn't see them happening live because they were out doing their thing. They knew what to capture and were capturing all these experiences as though it was actually people on a boat having a good time as tourists and not necessarily actors and actresses, and it just felt very real. So there's a lot of trust in them knowing who we are and what we wanted to capture, and that carrying through into the final product. Anyone who's looking to work with a company that you can put a lot of trust in to have them help lead you in the efforts, we felt like we were listened to, but we also relied on their expertise, and that was really important for us to be able to have a company that we could depend on. And we're really proud of the final result. We love showing people and seeing that reaction of what our products look like, and it's really great. So we are very happy and looking forward to future needs.
INDIRAP, the blueprint for branded video content.